getting audio off of that one. Hopefully we're getting audio somewhere. All right, got a good one for you today. I'm with Paris. Tell me about what we got going on here.
Hey.
You got a lot going on, from the nails to the outfit to above the eyebrows, the hair, earrings.
It's all about the details.
She's got it all going on today. So tell me about it.
For sure, we got big hair, we got long nails, got red bottom nails, and we got Fashion Nova outfit, and we got just some earrings I found today, but they're really cute and they match.
All right, it looks great. We're gonna do, I kind of set up a little scene here. I've got a canvas back here. I was trying to do kind of this layering thing with the curtain and the canvas to where we have kind of some depth to the photo by bringing in, she's more out front here. And then I've got a little chair. I don't know, it matched. I thought maybe we could do some stuff with the chair, right? So over here, I'm illuminating the backdrop. I've got a CTO gel on there, just with a standard 7-inch reflector. It's kind of throwing some light back behind us to kind of warm up the scene is the intent of that. And then right here, I've got a little rim light to catch some light over here. And then up here, you probably can't see it, but I've got the key light, and I do have it gridded, and I've been moving it around a little bit, trying not to get too much light on the curtain. Try not to blast it, and kind of, you know, you can blow it out real easy because it's white. So I've got a balance between the foreground light and the background light. I don't want the background to be too dark, but I don't want it to be blasting either, and I want her to be properly exposed, but I don't want the curtains blown out. So I've kind of worked on my lighting to get that going. On the key light right now, I've got it set at 1/8, and this little backlight I've got also set at 1/8, and I don't even know what this is set at. It might be a little bit hot right now. It's at 1/16. So that's about right. Usually I have it a little lower on the rim lights. All right, so we also have, almost forgot, the original inspo is, we'll do some shots without the guitars, right? Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna do some, I'll let you hold on to it, don't drop it. Mm-hmm. We'll do some with the guitars because she wanted to do some different stuff with the guitars, and I kind of made this a kind of, you know, complicated backdrop and everything, and really it's just about her and a guitar. So we'll do something simpler later, move all this stuff out of the way and just do some real simple guitar shots. And right, so all right, and then we've got, going with the tones of the scene, and we also have, we'll do a gold, maybe some gold outfit next. Yeah, cool. All right, let's get going. So let's play with the curtain a little bit more, like kind of just like half you, half the curtain. There you go. All right, guys, welcome to the photo shoot. I don't recommend this type of stand. You can see it's very rickety if you can afford it. Just use a better stand, C-stands and whatnot. I use on my modifiers, my soft boxes, those grids. They look like the waffle things. They help direct the light. They make it very directional, keep it from flowing all over the set. As you can see here, first shot with Paris is a beautiful shot. So in my setup, you can see that I've got the key light, that's the main light, gridded on her. So that light is focused on her with the grids. And then the light on the back, look at her left shoulder there and upper arm. That's providing that rim light there. You can see it in the shot here, actually, in the preview on the video. And then the light over to the far right, upper right corner, that has a gel on it and a 7-inch reflector. All that's doing is shining a CTO or orange gel onto the background. I like the orange a little bit better than the gold. It just works with her skin tones a lot better, and I wanted a little bit warmer look to the background. I just felt like the orange was a little bit more appropriate. So you'll be able to see in the shot coming up what I mean. You see the backdrop, it's kind of more of an orange earthy tone. Like it a lot better than the gold. So Paris is one of those models that's really easy to work with. She flow poses really well, takes direction really well. Wasn't really into the foot and leg posing here, so I was trying to give her some hints here to sort of cross the leg over or the knee over, and that gives us a little bit more flattering look, especially above the knees and the hips. You'll see here's more of a portrait shot, but you can see with shots from the knees up, when she does that crossover, it really accentuates that hourglass figure that she has. All right, ready for set number 2. She's going to be in the chair or on the ground. We've got the guitar that we've introduced there sitting on the chair, and with the lowered lights, the rim light with the orange gel, I'm still shining onto the backdrop. A lot of that's going to shine onto her too. That's by design. To go along with the orange curtain that I wish I had brought in from the beginning. I like it a lot better than the white, and you'll see why here in a second as it interacts the colors with the green and then the orange backdrop and the chair and then her skin tones. It just looks wonderful. And you can see there that she likes it as well. So it's just a good combination of colors that I ended up with, and it's what I really had in mind to go with this shoot, because when she first said, hey, I want to do the beautiful woman with the guitar shoot, and we can all picture that in our minds because we've seen it, and I wanted to do something different. So this is what I came up with. Okay, so you can see me here. I'm lowering and repositioning that rim light with the orange gel. I wanted some of that orange to hit her to see what it looked like on her skin tones. And it's not gridded, so it's still gonna splash all over the backdrop. I just wanted it to focus more on her and get some more of that light on her shoulders and her back. And you can see from these shots, that's what I got right here. All right, so thanks for watching. If you're still sticking in there, this is the final shot of this set. This is one of my favorites. The way the curtain is in the foreground, the canvas in the background, she's in the middle, and the lighting's just hitting perfectly. Love it. She did a great job. Give it a like, give it a subscribe if you like it. I really appreciate you watching. If you're still hanging in there, I really appreciate you. Give me a comment below and just tell me what you thought. Have a good one.